Okay, so we're almost going out of gold. We hadn't played a lot of Rhines. We played, let me see.
Select your hero.
We played one Rhine game. Okay. Maybe I would talk to him, to the next person, and try to let him play Rhine, right?
To ban.
Cause I really want them to play Rhine. Cause like the main reason of the that I'm doing this is to watch Rhine players, right? But they're not helping me. Okay, wait. I was ask this guy, the guy for to go Rhine. Let's see what he's going to talk to say here.
Quick on our feet, hard to defeat. Can't change the world by following all the rules.
Okay, he's not telling, he's not talking, so maybe he won't get Rhine. Cause like I need a Rhine game too. Okay, so
4, 3, 2, 1.
so I'm just studing the point here. Okay, he's Rhine. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so I will shoot here. Okay, this guy is a little bit serious here. Okay, I will try to hit here. Hit him. Hit him. Just hitting him. Okay, we gotta pick. Maybe he's dying, so I can pick him. Now I can let him rest, the guy. Okay, better kill the mercy. I try. He's going to pin here, so I have to kill this guy here. Okay. Can go for the Rhine here. Because they have no team, right? So I'm afraid of his pinning. Okay, that's why I'm this little pillar here. So I just killed him, and then we can get the point. Very good, very good. The game, this Ryan is a little bit serious. I'm seeing that he's already serious. Okay, he changed the Ryan. It is so bad, bro. That's so bad.
Escort your payload.
He immediately changed Ryan, got ball, right? What? Okay, so we just stay point. Okay, my widow is clutching here. Maybe I will try to pin them. They have no tackler, right? They have a ball, so you try to kill them there. Okay, they're all back. They're all gone. Just pick my perk and there's nobody here, so stay here. Stay just hitting them. The ball there is doing a lot of things to my enemy team, to my team. But I'm just picking points, so there's... Okay, we'll go back. I'm getting too much damage here. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, this game will be a little bit hard, because, like, ball players are a little bit annoying, because I can't do much against them, right? So you just go point. Just try to... You just... Taking this guy out. Okay. I can let the mercy rest here, right? Maybe I can shatter the ball. My team is not okay. My team is not killing the. Okay, I did again. Okay, my team cannot kill the ball, so we just stay point. Like, boy, this guy won't die, right? Just see the fire strikes there. Maybe I can go for the Mercy. Okay. Hit the tank. Okay, I killed the Mercy. Maybe can hit the ball here. I have to go point, like, because my team is dealing with the ball, so I stay point, right? Why they're doing that? Okay, now I think they won't touch. Just block the dynamite. Okay, now I can go. Okay, I muted. Okay, now. Okay, kill the tank. And we'll block. We'll take off the mines. Maybe go for this guy. He's alone. Okay. Okay. I missed my hammer, so okay. Just stay point, and he's changed his tank again. So let's see what he's going to play, right? Okay, now they're alone. Okay, my king crashed. Okay, my team is killing them, and the guy is playing Zarya. Okay, I will just hit them. They're all one. Maybe I can go for the tank here. Okay. Okay, this tank, Sebastian. Go forward because okay, I'm dying. Getting too much damage. Okay, just wait my shield to go back. Maybe try to pin the Bastion here. Okay, the Bastion is dying, bro. Okay, I have to go a little bit back. Okay, can hit them. Hit the Bastion. Have to get a little bit of health. Maybe I can shatter here. Okay, we got the point. Okay, maybe I was a little bit forward, right? But I was trying to hide from their shots. Like, I was trying to go around the pillar, right? Like, and they can get shot. So let's see.
They always think they can beat me, and I always prove them wrong.
Stay here. I wish violence never solved anything. It would make peace so much easier.
Okay, maybe it depends what they will play, but I like to go in this higher ground here because we have no, maybe not, because we don't have like really DPS to go higher. If we had a Nash and a Mercy, maybe I would go. No, that's not good. That's not good. Staying there is not good. Okay, my.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective.
Okay, they are way too forward here. Just go back, bro. You can stay there. Okay. Try to hit them. They have a Doom here. Maybe try to hit. Okay, maybe I will go for the Widow here. She's alone, right? Okay, maybe I can kill the Moira. She's alone too. I can help this guy. I can help my team on point. Okay, this guy is alone. Okay, so I try to go a little bit back. My team is already dead. Okay, and try to hit them a little bit. Just try to hit the point. Maybe try to pin the Genji. Okay, really good. Okay, just hit the okay, and not shoot him. Oh, I missed my shot. Okay, I'm dying, so I can't go. Okay, this guy is killing himself. Okay, now I can go. Okay, I'm dead. Oh my god. I thought I was getting healed, right? But okay, my team is clutching here. I thought I was getting healed. Maybe she was too much behind, right? Okay, just going to hit some fire strikes here. Maybe go for the. Okay, I think we're cooked. Okay, maybe try to go for the Genji here. Hit the tank. Maybe shatter the tank. Hit him and kill him. Okay, we have to break this little things here. Okay, I'm dying. Where's the healer? Okay, I have to touch the point. Break the pillar. Okay, it's too much damage. Can go for this guy. Maybe I will die. Okay, but I think my team can handle this guy. How my Mura died, bro? What? The Mura was the answer to kill the Genji, but she died, right? Yeah, my DPS is cooking, right? But my supports are not cooking, like they're just dying. Okay, can touch the point. Stay in this little place here. Maybe can hit break the pylons, hit this match right here. Have to break these things here. They're annoying. Have to break these things here. What? Okay. Have to break. Okay. Okay, I'm dying, so I have to go back. Okay. Kill this guy here. Okay, go back. Maybe try to kill the Genji. Oh my god. Then I will try to go for the Mura, maybe. Okay, kill the Mura. And I can kill the Symmetra again. I can break this thing here. I can hit the Genji, maybe. Bro, this Doom is heavy. Okay, we killed the Genji. Get this. Okay, maybe I will shatter the Doom here. And he's dead. Okay, now I think the game is over. Now I think the fight is over. Sorry. What? Okay. Stay point here. Do a little bit of fire strikes here. Okay, go try to pin him. Maybe try to hit him. Maybe I can keep hitting him because he's dying, right? And then the game is over. Okay, the game is over. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Okay, so that's maybe it's our last gold one game. Very good. Last gold game, sorry. See? Okay, this guy was playing Ryan. Let me see. Wait, I have to write that. So that's game 57. So I have to write that. Game 57. Okay, so let's see how. Okay, now I think he's already doing wrong because he's way too forward there. I like it's good to be here, so they have to walk all of this to go to the point. So it's better to stay here, or maybe even here, like and here. But there it's way too much forward, right? So I don't like his choice to stay here. But let's see. So just go and keep hammering him, and he'll hammer me. Hey, he's good, he's serious. Just keep hitting me with his hammer, yes. Good. Okay, if he's getting shots, he go back. Good. Okay, he has to go back a little bit, he's dying. Has to go back. Okay. Maybe here when his armor is back, he has to go back. Okay, here he had to come back, right here has to come back. He's going to come back and has to pin backwards. But then I saw he's dying, so I tried to pin him, right? When he's dying, I pin him because let's see. He's doing good, but like he's placed he's bad placed here because I see that he's just alone here. His team is there and he's there, so I can pin him. So that's why it's better to stay here, and stay here, and stay here, not there. But he was thinking correct. He was thinking correct of going back, and now I can go and kill him. But then he got rest. But the fight is already over, I think. Okay, he has to go back, and you see that's a little thing that I do. I will not. Maybe I could have counter pinned him, but I saw that he was going to pin, so that's why I'm not there. I'm here. So he will pass through me, right? So he will not pick me. So that's why I stay there and I go a little bit left. Here I go left, so I will not get pinned. Then we can go here. We can just go. My team is getting picks, so maybe he has to go a little bit back. Okay, here I think he's doing wrong already, because here my team is just killing them, so has to go back here, has to go back and wait for their team to come, right? But then he's just coming here and then he's going to die because he's alone with the Kuriko, has to go back. But then he's just staying point. But now I just go and we'll kill him. See that I'm staying the little pillar so I won't get pinned. So I just hammer him, he's dead. Had to go back. You see that you see that even though he thinks he's doing right, or he's doing right as Ryan, he was doing a lot of mistakes, even in gold. Maybe I think in platinum the things are going to be much more serious, right? Then I will start to lose games. But here you see that the quantity of mistakes he's doing, right? Okay, but then he changed the Ryan, so just pick the payload here. My team is really cooking. Okay, so just stay point. Have to stay point here. My widow is cooking here, so maybe I can go a little bit because they're alone. So just stay point. Okay, my Kiriko did not heal my widow. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, then I'll go back. My teammates are dying. I was trying to shoot the Mercy Res, but didn't work. So we just go back here. Just go back, and I'll just go point. They have no tank right there. The tank is a ball, so I won't do anything about her. I was trying to pin the bob, but I did wrong. Then I shattered the. It's good to shatter balls here, but it's a little bit hard, so I have to be a little bit careful. Then I try to pin the bob again, but I didn't succeed, so I just try to hit the tank. Then when he's there, I go point, because I can do nothing when he's high ground, right? So just go point, and their ball is doing his things, and I'm doing my things here. Maybe I can try to go for these guys here. Maybe try to kill the Mercy, and then that's a very good kill, the Mercy kill. So I can just start in point, and my team kill the ball. So just stay point, and we will take the point, right? Then we can go for this guy, maybe. He's a little bit alone, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe can break his ult, can break their minds. This guy is alone, I can hit him. And then just stay point and shield, maybe. Maybe shield here, okay, shield. Just wait for their team to come. My team is really cooking here, so maybe I can just stay point. And they got Daria, so just shoot the Bastion farm. Just shoot the Bastion farm, wait for my shield to come. Just fire strike them. Just wait a little here. Then I see that my Trace is there, so I try to go. But I'm a little bit alone here, so I just try to... Okay, here I'm a little bit dead. No, maybe not, because my team is here, but we are all dying. I was trying to wait for the Bastion farm, so I was trying to go around this pillar here, so I won't get shot, because I know that I'm way too forward. So then my Kiriko ulted, so try to hammer them. And I'm really dying, so I'm shielding. And then I got a really good shatter there, and I was able to shatter them all, and we're dead. This was a little... If it was high ranked, I would be dead there, because I'm way too far. Like my team is there and I'm there. Maybe I think I would lose this game here, not the game, but the fight. But then they were not killing me, so I just ulted. And then we take the point, right? So for defense,
Attackers incoming.
you see that my Ramatra, my Life Weaver wants to be here, but I think it's way too close, so I want to be here like the Ryan did, so I would just go back and stay there. I think it's way better to stay here. So, let's see. So I just wait them to come, and then this fight here was a little bit infinite here. Infinity fight. Infinite fight. Infinite. How do you say that? Okay. So just going for the Widow. The Widow was alone, so I can go kill her. Then maybe go for the Moira. And then my team is being dead here, so just try to go point and try to hit these things. And then I see my team is dead. Then I try to come a little bit back. Try to contest the point and stay a little bit back. And I managed to pin the Genji. So I want to go too much forward because I'm dying. And we got the Moira and the Genji, so we can go right. And then I saw that I thought my Kiriko was there. So then I went forward, but maybe I did too much. Maybe not, I thought my team was there, like, so it would be healed, but I just died, right? So that's a shame. And that's a big mistake I made, because now the fight is way more complicated, right? But then I think we managed to win this fight. My team is cooking here. Then I came back, and then I can hit the Genji maybe, hit the Mercy and hit the then I solo ult the tank. It's very good to solo ult the tank. Then I have to break the turrets. It's very important to break the turrets. And I'm dying, so I can't push. Have to touch the point. So I just shield and stay on point. Then the Genji is ulting me, so I die. But I have to be on point because they're almost picking the point, right? Then the tank is back. And the fight and my DPS are cooking here. And then I come back again. This is funny, like the fight it's not over. So I can kill the Symmetra, I can break the pylon, break the turrets and break the portal. I'm trying to break the pylons and the turret. Then I'm dying, so I have to go back. Okay. I knew she pointed to the Cassidy, so that's why I was laughing, because it's a little bit funny. And then I can hit the Moira. Can hit the Genji, he's alone. Can stay point and maybe try to hit the Moira. Maybe try to hit the Symmetra again. I killed her like 3 times now. Then we can maybe solo shatter the tank here, because I have my shatter. Hit the tank, and now we can solo shatter him. And then now the fight is over. Now we won the fight. It was 3-minute fight, bro. Like, what is this? Okay. So just wait them to come. When they come, I will try to pin him and fire strike him. Now I saw that he was dying, so I was keeping pushing him, keeping hammering him. Even though he was using his shield ability, you don't have to do damage in this ability when he's blocking his block, because he will get his punch. But in this situation, in this specific situation, I saw that she was dying, so I was keeping hitting him. But in a normal situation, I would not keep hammering his shield. And then the game was over, like they did not touch the point. And now the game was over, right?